Hi guys, so here we are today at Shoes of Hollywood, and this is Jackie.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to do a close-up review of 2 pairs of shoes. So we'll just unbox one. Now all the Pleaser shoes come in these nice little dust bags, so that keeps them all nice and free of dust and everything. Ooh. Thanks, Jackie. Now these are the Mermaid 708, and they're a 7-inch heel. And covered on the platform and on the heel is mini iridescent glitter. The front platform's cut out, and as you can see, inside is a black light reactive ombre swimming mermaid. They're so cute. So on the top of the shoe we've got the usual clear front strap and a clear ankle strap. Black suede where your foot goes for nice and comfort, and these are perfect because they don't show up any dirt where you put your feet in. On the base of the shoe is black rubber, which is good for gripping. And here's the black pair. So the mermaids are actually fixed in the shoe so they don't move. I think the glitter shows up really good on the black pair. And they twinkle lots of different colours. Nice and sparkly. So yeah, they're the Moon 708 Mermaid heels. Thanks guys.